In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF on a WordPress page or post. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's professional appearance by adding downloadable documents, whether those are brochures, menus, tutorials, or policies. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps you need to take to easily accomplish this task. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll have the control and access needed to manage your website's content and settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Plugins section. Hover over it and select Add New. This is where we'll find the tool you need to proceed, a plugin called PDF Embedder. In the next step, you'll find yourself on the Add Plugins page. Now, in the search bar located at the top right corner, type in PDF Embedder. When the search results pop up, you should see the PDF Embedder plugin. Go ahead and click Install Now. After a brief moment, the installation will be complete, and you can hit Activate to get it up and running on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, you'll have the ability to embed PDFs directly in your WordPress content. Navigate back to your WordPress dashboard and decide whether you'd like to embed your PDF in a page or post. Head to the Posts or Pages section, depending on your choice, and click on Add New or select an existing post or page you wish to edit. With your post or page open, you'll now have the option to upload your PDF. Look for the Add Media button, typically found just above the main content area. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the WordPress Media Library. If your PDF is already uploaded, simply select it. If not, use the Upload Files tab to find the PDF file on your computer and upload it to the library. Once your PDF is uploaded and selected, you'll notice on the right-hand side of the screen there are options for inserting it into the post. Select the Insert into Post button to embed the PDF. The PDF Embedder plugin automatically adds the necessary shortcode into your content, which will display the PDF on the live web page. If you'd like to tweak how the PDF is displayed, you can adjust the appearance settings in the plugin's options. You can change settings such as width and height to make sure the document fits seamlessly into your site's layout. Don't forget to save any changes you make to your post or page by selecting Publish or Update. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a PDF on your WordPress site. This is a quick and effective way to provide your visitors with easily accessible, downloadable information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content like this.